watching 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, resort location, and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by players to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and amenities, etc. Category 3. Category 4. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Yes, you require to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. For booking or more details, below the link in description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, please help by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.